Come on, Caillou, just hop on in. How was school?
Everything was great, Dad. I got an A+ on my spelling test.
That's awesome, Caillou.
These are yuck.
Franklin
Why
could
not
count by
Chuck E.
twos and
Cheese's?
tie his shoes.
Oh, come on,
Franklin,
Caillou. You've never
you need to
tried
watch
Little
your
Caesars
language.
before, so how can you not like it?
Hello, and welcome to Little Caesars. What can I get for you two?
Does this place have any games and rides?
I'm sorry, young man. We do not have any games and rides here.
Then what's the point of coming to this crappy
Franklin
boring
could
place
count
with
by
no
twos
rides
and
and
tie his
games?
shoes.
Caillou, this is Little Caesars. We're not here to play games or go on rides, so don't expect everything to be like Chuck E. Cheese's. Cut the attitude right now. I'm so sorry, sir. But anyways, I would like to have one slice Little Caesar. That's it. You're getting no pizza today after all.
Get that little bald-headed pest out of my sight.
You don't have any peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? Are you fucking kidding
You
need to watch your language.
Caillou, how dare you to throw the pizza at Little Caesar? That's it. You're getting no pizza today after all.
Get that little bald-headed pest out of my sight.
That hurts.
You are grounded, Caillou, for 88 days.
That means no Chuck E. Cheese's ever.
How can I
Franklin.
live without Chuck E.
You
Cheese's?
don't ever hit someone who
Caillou,
works at
stop
Subway.
being dramatic and
This is
go
not
to your room.
acceptable.
You can
Let's
still
go home
to Chuck
before
E.
bigger
Cheese's
trouble
when your
comes.
grounding time is over.
You will be grounded when we get back home.
You are grounded,
Jesus
Caillou, for
Christ,
88
Franklin.
days.
That
Did you
means
seriously
no Chuck E.
have to
Cheese's
punch him
ever.
in the face?
How can
I did it
live
because I
without
was
Chuck E.
pissed off at
Cheese's?
him for not
So
giving me
go
the
to Chuck
peanut
E.
butter
Cheese's
and
when your
jelly
grounding
sandwich
time
with
is
flies
over.
in it.
That doesn't excuse you for that kind of behavior. Now go to your room.
Wah 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 wah.